Let's talk about problem 61 on page F. It's similar to some other problems on the page, but just a little bit different. The problem reads, if the distance between two north poles is 15 centimeters and the force of repulsion between them is 750 dynes, determine the strength of each pole if they are of equal strength. So what do they give us? The distance is 15, so that's R. The force is 750, so that's given. But they don't give us either M1 or M2, but they do tell us something. They are of equal strength. So basically it's the same variable. We can, rather than have two different variables, we'll just call both of them M. Okay? So we're familiar with this formula right here. We've used that quite a bit now. We're going to plug in 750 for F. I'm leaving K out because its value is just 1, so we can kind of ignore that right here, 1. M1 times M2 is just M squared because we're just using M. So it's M times M, which is M squared, divided by R squared, which is 15 squared. So now to get rid of this denominator, what I'm going to do, let me bring my pencil back. We're going to multiply both sides times the 15 squared, okay? So 750 times 15 squared equals M squared. Now, how do I solve that? Well, you're going to use your calculator to get a big number for this, okay? Then, if you're not sure what to do, let me give you this clue here. How do we undo squared? We do the square root, okay? So we're going to do the square root of both sides. The square root of M squared is M, and then you just need to solve this part right here, 750 times 15 squared, and then use your square root key, and you're done. Now you're going to get a decimal number, but you want to round it off to the nearest whole number, or actually it looks like 2 significant figures. Round it off to 2 significant figures. All right, that will also help you with number 62, although if you get stuck on 62, there's a solution guide in the back of the page that will help you with that think problem.